is the popcorn. It's in the bag, so the popcorn doesn't drop. Hi, welcome to my kids show. Please subscribe to my channel. This is a hamburger, and it has lettuce and ground beef, and it's very cool. It also has the bun on top of it, and they put some little seeds on it. This is a pizza. It also got mushrooms, and it got little wraps. This is a different kind of pizza. It's different. It also has mushrooms. This is a French fries. It's a potato, and it's made out of a potato. It's also cool. This is the popcorn. It's in the bag, so the popcorn doesn't drop. This is an ice cream. They also give in the summer in the lot, and it also the summer they put it. This is strawberry and chocolate. This is chocolate and vanilla. It's also very cool. This is milk is made out of cow. It's always good, so you can drink in the morning, usually with cereal. This is tea-dish, and it's made out of cheese. It also has salt on it. This is very delicious, and I love it. These are pretzels. It's also cool, and it's a pretzel. It's cool, and it tastes good. This is chocolate, and it's also black, and they have white chocolate and gold chocolate, and there's all different kinds of chocolate. This is a graham cracker. It's also different kind. They have a circle one too. This is a hot dog. It has mustard on it, and it tastes yummy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye!